Good day. I'm Vevien Asperga, a BSECE3A-2 student, and in this video, I will show you my construction procedures and I will demonstrate the output display of my written codes on Arduino IDE using a microcontroller. And I will demonstrate also the functionality of my output here in the 2x16 liquid crystal display. So let's get started. What are the components needed? So we need to have our microcontroller board or breadboard, connecting wires, 2 pieces stack switch, 2 pieces 10 kilo ohm resistors, 1 kilo ohm resistor, 330 ohm resistor, and our 2x16 LCD module. And next, for the schematic diagram. Now let's proceed to the construction of what we have on the schematic diagram. So first, the VSS pin of LCD module is connected to the ground. The VDD is connected to 5 volts VDC. VE or the contrast is connected to the ground via 1 kilo ohm resistor. RS is connected to pin number 12. RW or read and write is connected to the ground also. E or enable is connected to pin number 11. And D4 is connected to pin number 5. D5 is connected to pin number 4. D6 is connected to pin number 3. D7 is connected to pin number 2. And backlight anode labeled as pin A is connected to 5 volts VDC, and also the backlight cathode labeled as letter K is connected to the ground via 330 ohm resistor. For the connection of tact switches, I will connect it to pin number 8 and pin number 9, wherein one leg is connected to 5 volts VDC and the other end is connected to the ground via 10 kilo ohm resistor. So after connecting all components together, we need our type A to B USB cable and connect our microcontroller to the personal computer or laptop. And as you can see, the LCD is now ready to be programmed. And now let's proceed to the coding part. So I created a custom characters for the Greek letters that I chose for the beta, omega, epsilon, pi, and also I added the up and down symbols that will serve as a guide for scroll up and scroll down buttons. So by creating a custom characters, I created a binary matrix for them. I also programmed my text switches to be used as scroll up and scroll down buttons. So I used the pin number 8 for scroll down and pin number 9 for scroll up. And I also wrote my math problem with solutions here. And lastly, I upload my codes to the microcontroller. So it says upload done. And now, as you can see, the output is being displayed here in the 2x16 liquid crystal display. And I have two push buttons here for the scroll up and the scroll down. The button here at the right side is for the scroll down, and the button here at the left side is for the scroll up. So now I will scroll it down. Problem solving by Vevien Asperga. A right triangle with sides 6 feet, 8 feet, and 10 feet is rotated the side of 6 feet to form a cone. What is the volume of the cone? So for the solution, I let omega is equals to radius, beta equals to height, and epsilon equals to volume. So formula to get the volume of the cone, we have volume is equal to pi radius squared times height divided by 3. Or this is also equivalent to 1/3 pi r squared times height. So for the solving, by pressing the scroll down button, we arrive to the final answer, which is the volume of the cone is equal to 301.6 cubic feet. So if pressed it again, it will return to line number 1 and 2 here. So here it is. It continue scroll down. It will loops back again and again if the last line is reached and we press the scroll down button. So it will return back to line number 1. However, when first line is displayed and scroll up is pressed, the display will remain to line 1 and 2, and the program will not respond to this input. So here in line number 1, I did not put an up symbol or arrow because in this line, whenever the scroll up is pressed, the display will remain to line 1 and 2 and the program will not respond to the input. So that's all, and thank you.